video, we're going to go over the TastyWorks charting in their desktop platform. All right, so there's a couple places you can look at charts. First is right here on the right. If you click on Overview and then Day Chart. So right here you can see a quick glance of the daily chart. You can also click 1 month, 1 year, whatever you want to see here. It's pretty limited right here. Next spot is right here with this chart symbol. On the chart, you can choose to do a few things. So first, let's just show you. If I change this up here, it'll change it on here. So here is SPY, and I can click on indicators and can throw in some indicators like this. I'm just throwing in random ones so that you can see. And you can edit them down here, and then it'll chart them. Right here's your time frame. You have options from 1 minute all the way up to a month. And I'm just going to choose 5 minutes. You can choose how far back you want to go. So if I want year to date, it'll show me year to date. I'm going to change this just to today so we can actually see something. And then we can choose which candles we want. You click settings to change any of the settings here on the candles. You can go through those with what you prefer. And then here is the crosshair, which is this thing right here. So when you choose the one with the little symbol up here, it gives you all the details next to your mouse, next to the crosshair. Or you can click this one and it'll put all the details up here of where you're hovering over. You can also come here and choose the tools that you want. So a price level, you can put in a price level, you can do array, you can throw in Fibonacci retracements, which is nice. And then you can actually you can save it, and this will save your chart settings. And then you'd be able to load it if you want to load that from the other place to see the grid is on the trade section and click on grid. So this will make it so that you can actually trade while looking at the chart. It has the same features over here on the side that were on the top. This is the save button that will save the chart settings to a file, and then this will load those settings from another file. You've got your classic bid and ask down here, and you can choose what you want to do with your order. You can have up to 2 charts on this section where I can add an extra column like this. So I can have these 2 grids open at the same time. I can also detach them by hitting this arrow. So this will detach them so then I can move them around wherever I want. I can unclick here so it'll get rid of those trading controls. The other place to view charts is here on this, and here I'm able to do up to 4 charts. So I can choose up to 2 columns and 2 rows. It has the same features as all the other charting, it's just this is 4 of them at a time. And I can hit the extract, but it won't let you extract 4. You can only extract 2 at a time. So the charting platform is very simple. It's not very intuitive. Might want to choose another platform for charting, but it is there, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.